Go.
Hello, my name is Autumn Ogunbamishe, and I graduated from Madison County Head Start in 1989. My best memories of Head Start were reading together, going to the firehouse, and riding the bus with my first best friend. I graduated high school in 2002 and then went to SUNY Fredonia for sociology. I then pursued nursing at Mooresville State College and graduated in 2009, took the boards in 2010, and had my first job all in the same week. I'm currently a registered nurse at Washington Hospital Center, and I work in a neurosurgery unit. I'm completing my bachelor's from Mooresville State College and will graduate in May. A major portion of my baccalaureate education has been service learning. Last spring, I focused on health literacy with Madison County Head Start by putting together a seminar with parents and teaching them the Pfizer Ask Me 3 techniques. Those 3 questions help individuals get their questions answered at the doctor's office so they may comply with instructions and improve their health and hopefully prevent any complications. This semester, I'm working with the Madison County Health Department, and we're distributing a health literacy survey. We are surveying physicians' offices and community organizations, including Madison County Head Start. On the 23rd of this month, I have a meeting with myself and a Madison County health educator to meet with the Madison County Head Start group, and that means the director, the health coordinator, and family advocates, to discuss their survey results and discuss possibilities to improve health education techniques and improve the compliance and health knowledge of the Madison County parent population. My plans for the future include pursuing a master's degree in nursing education to teach at the associate's or baccalaureate level. At some point, I'd like to attain my doctorate in nursing practice and possibly counsel individuals in practice in the mental health field to help them improve the quality of their daily life. I've experienced firsthand the value of Head Start. My mother started as a teacher's aide shortly after I started Head Start and had now become the director of Madison County Head Start for approximately a decade. My brother attended Head Start and graduated from SUNY Purchase in 2008 and currently works as a project manager for a language bank located in New York City. My sister, Amber Crowfoot, is a wilderness first responder and whitewater raft guide who substitutes for Head Start in the off-season. Head Start has enabled my family and thousands of others to improve the quality of life by encouraging learning, and for all those reasons, it is important that Head Start continues to exist.